morning, everybody. It's Christmas Eve, which is crazy. December literally just started yesterday, it feels like. So right now I'm just in line to get some coffee and for me and my mom. Go home. I forgot this no bake candy cane cheesecake thing to make. And also I have my s'mores pretzel thing that I'm gonna show you guys how to make because it's so yummy for winter or fall or just anytime. So yeah, we might not be doing much today, just relaxing at home. Miss Chloe's with me right now, but we don't do anything too crazy for Christmas, honestly. It's just us. Sometimes my neighbor comes over, Parker will be over later, and then I'll go to his house. Maybe Chloe will. Yeah. What's something that you guys are asking for Christmas this year? I know some things that I'm getting. I just don't know what Parker's getting me.
What can I get for you today?
Can I have 2 French vanilla swirled iced coffees?
What size?
Mediums.
2 medium French vanilla iced coffees. Did you want any cream or sugar?
Cream and extra sugar and less ice.
Anything else?
And an order of pancakes.
Is that everything for you?
Yep.
Okay, that'll be 1014.
Alright, thanks.
Yep.
I like to give more than get. Like the girl at work, I gave her gift yesterday because we don't work today. And just like their reactions just make me feel good. And Christmas Eve, a lot of people are out last minute shopping, but I don't think stores are open too late today. But the grocery stores I feel like are the most packed. To one of the grocery stores last night after work because they're open till 11 and I get done at work at like 10:15, so I had some time. There were still a lot of people there. I wanted to say something else, but completely forget. Oh, I think I want to try taking a Christmas picture with Chloe, so we'll see. Last year we did one, we had matching pajamas. I don't know where those are. Oh, that my pancakes moved to you. Okay, let's put this right here for now. Last year we did matching pajamas. Don't know where those are. So she has a lot of Christmas dresses, like she has a lot of clothes. We'll figure it out. It's the last day. It's number 12. It's Santa Claus. Oh, Santa. Yay. Wow, that's a nice one. Make it squeak. What a mess. Eating some wings. We got our matching jammies on. Her hair's in her face because we just got a bath today. So it's all silky and smooth and bouncy everywhere. And we're watching Home Alone 2. We were watching Home Alone 1. Mom's getting the presents out. Doing laundry. After I'm done with this, I'm gonna put my laundry in the dryer and I think start making the s'mores. They're so good.